seems here lately that I've kind of been working backwards, I guess. I'm chasing audio again, which is extremely annoying. So my latest setup is using the GoPro Hero 10 in the media mod, using a pop voice microphone that's like 12 bucks. I'm getting a lot of audio spikes. I don't know if it's the media mod, I don't know if it's my adapter cable, I don't know if it's just the cheap microphone. So we went ahead and got ourselves a Purple Panda. I'm just gonna see if it makes a difference. Because really, I want to use the media mod mainly for the convenience. Because I've been recording audio with an H1N separately. Does a nice little audio recorder, knocks out all the background wind noise stuff for me, and it does great. But a lot of times I gotta go through and manually manipulate all the audio levels, because sometimes I'll be up here, it'll be loud, and sometimes it's quiet, and it all depends on what's going on. If I cough or speak too loudly, or the bike's too loud, or it just throws all the balances off. But it's so much easier just to leave it in auto, and it does a pretty good job overall. So what I'm trying to figure out is if this Purple Panda microphone is any better than the other one I bought. I'm trying to get rid of those spikes and those peaks and all that audio distortion, which I'm thinking it's probably the cable, which if it is, then I just wasted money on another microphone I didn't need. And I've seen a couple of different videos, people with different suggestions about what they do. I mean, every motovlogger ever, at some point or another, has to fight with audio, and it seems like I've been doing that consistently since we started. The other downside of the H1N is it knocks too much of the bike exhaust out and you can't hear it. Like if I'll do a video on the Main Street, that bike is super loud, but you wouldn't know it watching the video because it just knocks all the freaking bike audio out. Like all the exhaust is just gone, you just can't hear it. It's like I'm riding a moped. And that's kind of defeats the purpose of the aftermarket exhaust. You can hear me really well, which I guess is great. I guess that's subjective, I guess. But I'm trying to find that nice balance. I'm trying to find a nice all-purpose setup. Something that's going to work pretty much for whatever I need. Because I can still use the H1N like running in a backpack and actually getting, you know, halfway decent exhaust video. But as far as talking too, it also ends up being more to edit, which I'll be honest with you, is my least favorite part of doing this. Which is why, you guys notice, I don't do a lot of crazy graphics popping up on the screen and all that other crazy stuff. One, because it's easier to edit, and two, you guys don't want all that crap popping up on the screen. It's annoying, distracting. So when I pull this footage, I guess we'll figure it out. Hopefully I got it sorted. But the H1N is a great recorder too. But I've been really digging this media mod. It's gonna add a lot of nice little functionality. I got some lights for the cold shoe mounts. I want to try to make it like my main camera for everything, even like the talking head stuff. So if you guys like this video and want to check out more about the media mod, or what I was, you know, my first initial thoughts on it, you can check out this video right here. And as always, y'all be good. See you.